Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in US dollar JPY and US dollar Swiss franc. We'll start the analysis from the higher time frame, then we'll go down to the lower time frame and mark the trading ranges for the coming week. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame of US dollar JPY currency pairs. Here when we notice the overall price action, it formed a very nice head and shoulder pattern and it has retraced to the very bottom. Presently it is in a consolidation within this range. And I have already marked the resistance and support levels. The topmost resistance is going to be 117.248 and presently it is trying to break this resistance level which is around 115.112. Bottom support is around 103.676. From the current price action we can understand that the price action is in a bullish trend and trying to break this resistance area over here. I have also marked the channel pattern to make it easier to understand the trend of the market. It is very nicely moving within this channel pattern. So only if it breaks this resistance level, we can expect the market to go on the bullish trend and test this next level of resistance. Presently, it has momentarily broken this resistance level and it has retraced. So when we analyze the price action more closely, we can clearly notice that it has formed a very nice double top pattern. It has tested this resistance, retraced, again tested this resistance. Currently it is in a retracement and testing this neck level. If it manages to break this neck level, we can expect a further fall and test on this bottommost support level of the channel pattern. It is on a retracement, but to get the confirmation that it is forming a double top pattern, it has to break this neck level which is around 112.766, and if it manages to break this level, we can expect the market to fall further and test this next level of support which is around 111.300. As long as it doesn't break this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame in USD JPY currency pairs. As mentioned, it has formed a very nice double top pattern and currently market has retraced to the neck level. I marked the neck level also, the blue color support line manages to break this neck level which is around 112.796. We can expect a further fall and test this support level of the channel, and here we have the support level also which is around 110.924. From here we can expect the market to continue its bullish trend. So as long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for Monday. So I'm in 30 minutes time frame now in US dollar JPY currency pairs. So when we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it has momentarily broken this midline of the channel pattern from the daily time frame. I'm expecting the market to go up, test this resistance level and then retrace back and test this mid of the double top pattern and then fall further to test this bottommost support line of the channel pattern. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the next level of support and currently it is testing this resistance or support level. Next level of resistance is going to be here and next resistance is going to be here and support on the bottom side is going to be here, and if it falls further we can expect it to test this bottommost support level of the channel pattern which is around 111.264. Currently the market is in a completion of the double top pattern and presently it is testing the neckline of the double top pattern. Once it breaks this level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Mark these ranges in your chart and plan your entry and exit based on your support and resistance levels. Let us do analysis in US dollar Swiss franc. I'm in daily time frame of US dollar Swiss francs. This was the bottommost support level and it went up and found resistance over here, and within this area it has started to consolidate. It couldn't retrace to the bottommost level here, or it couldn't go up also. It is in a consolidation within this range, and currently it has broken this support level also and has retraced, moved to the next level of support over here. From here it is again taking its uptrend, and it is in a consolidation within this uptrend. When we closely examine the current price action, we can notice that it is moving in a very nice channel pattern. So presently within the channel pattern, we are seeing the retracement to the bearish side is happening. Price has tested this level, and currently it is retracing to test this bottommost support line of the channel pattern. But still, the overall, when we look at the price action, it is in a bullish trend. As long as this channel pattern is holding, the bullish trend will continue. I am expecting it to take support on the bottommost support line of the channel pattern and retrace and test this previous resistance level. It has been acting as a very strong resistance previously also. Only once it breaks this resistance level, we can say that the bullish trend has started. Until then, we can expect the market to again retrace and test this bottommost support level. So it can be a range bound market as long as either of the range is broken. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame also, we can clearly notice that previously it was on an uptrend and tested this topmost resistance, and it was on a downtrend and tested this bottommost support. Again, when it retraced, it didn't have enough bullishness to go up and test this resistance level also. Currently it has fallen. It is in a process of testing this bottommost support level. So if it doesn't manage to take support over here, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, which means a trend reversal, and it can go and test this bottommost support level, which is around 0.87827. So as long as this channel pattern is holding, we can expect the uptrend to continue in this currency pair. And also it has formed a very nice double top pattern, and it is in a process of retracing and testing this bottommost support level, which is 100% retracement of the previous uptrend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for Monday. I am in 30 minutes time frame now in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance. Presently we know that this level has been acting as a support, and it has broken this support level also, and it is in a bearish trend. I am expecting in the 30 minutes time frame to retrace and test this support or resistance level and downtrend to continue. Let us mark the trading ranges. So currently it is taken support over here. The resistance is going to be over here if it goes up. Next level of resistance is going to be here. If it goes up to this level, we can expect a bullish trend to start and test this uppermost resistance of the channel pattern, and next support level is going to be here, and next level of support is going to be here. So I am expecting the bearish trend to continue. Let us see how market goes on Monday, based on which I will update you in the coming week. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.